Hi folks, this is the Corbett National Park that we're actually going through. Just look at this beautiful green canopy. What a forest this is, and I'm truly missing being here. Endless grasslands, especially in the Dikala zone of the Corbett National Park. This is a lovely evening that we were passing through. Just such a calming effect this has on your senses. Here you can see large herds of spotted deer. This particular male that you see with the huge antlers is possibly the dominant male of the herd, keeping an eye out for danger. Here we are at the Dikala campus, which is located almost 30 kilometers inside the safari gate. How's that for a view? This is the Khalij pheasant, a beautiful avian species you can actually come across on safari in the Corbett National Park. This is a male drinking water from a puddle. You need to be quiet when you watch this species, and if you are quiet, you will be rewarded with this beautiful sight of it calmly. This one is a rare species that we actually come across. This is a young one of a spot-bellied eagle owl. As you can see, its throat is shaking. That is gula fluttering, basically a version of the bird panting, so that it releases excess heat from its body. Here we are passing through Thandi Sadak, a particular road inside the park which often stays cool throughout the day. And yes, one of the star attractions of the park. There you can see the young one first going, then the mother, then another young one, another mother. That's right folks, Asian elephants, a small herd going away. And this is Lal Khan, the undisputed master of the Dikala grasslands. A huge bull elephant that you can see patrolling these beautiful golden grasslands. This is quite an old elephant, going by his age. He would be probably above 40 to 50 years of age, and it's a real pleasure to see him walking. A true specimen of power. And we once again pass through the forest. Look at this beautiful canopy, such tall trees, usually composed of one dominant species, the one we know here as Sal or Surai. God, these canopies are gorgeous to move through. And there she comes. I know you were waiting for her, folks. Yes, you can see her moving slowly through the undergrowth, coming closer and closer to us. What every visitor on safari wishes to see, those shades of ochre, black and white. A beautiful tigress.